Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step how to download and install AutoCAD 2027 on your MacBook. Whether you're using an Intel MacBook or an Apple Silicon Mac, this guide will help you download the Mac version of AutoCAD from the official Autodesk website. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Brave, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type AutoCAD free trial and press enter. From the search results, click the official Autodesk link. This will take you to the AutoCAD free trial page. I'll also leave the website link in the video description so you can access it easily. Once you're on the Autodesk website, click the Download Free Trial button. You may be redirected to a new page where Autodesk asks how you plan to use the software. You may see options like Business, Home Use, Education, or File Viewer. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Business. After that, click Next, choose Product. Now, choose the AutoCAD product you want to download. Since we are using a MacBook, make sure you select AutoCAD for Mac. This is important because some AutoCAD toolsets, like AutoCAD Electrical or AutoCAD Mechanical, are designed for Windows and may not be available as native Mac versions. So for this MacBook tutorial, select AutoCAD for Mac. Once you've selected the product, click Next, Sign In. Now enter your email address and click Continue. If you already have an Autodesk account, sign in with your existing account. If you're new to Autodesk, create a new account by filling in the required details. After creating your account, accept the terms and conditions, then continue to the next step. Once you're signed in, Autodesk may ask you to complete your profile. Add the required information, such as your industry, role, job level, company name, phone number, and address. When everything is complete, click Complete to submit. Next, Autodesk may ask you to verify your phone number. If this step appears, enter your phone number, wait for the verification code, then type the code into the verification box. After your phone number is verified, click Continue. Now you should see the download options. Select the version you want to install. In this tutorial, I'm choosing AutoCAD 2027. Then choose your preferred language. I'm going to keep the default language as English. After that, click Download. Save the installer file to your Mac. The file may be large, so the download can take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open Finder and go to your Downloads folder. Find the AutoCAD installer file you just downloaded. It should be a DMG file. Double-click the file to open it. A new window will appear with the AutoCAD installer inside. From here, double-click Install Autodesk AutoCAD 2027 for Mac to start the installation. Your Mac may show a message saying the app was downloaded from the internet. This is normal. Click Open to continue. You may also be asked to give the installer permission to run. Click OK or Allow when prompted. Next, enter your Mac password to authorize the installation. Then click OK. The AutoCAD installer will now open. Read through the license agreement, then click Agree to accept the terms. After that, click Next to continue. The installer will automatically choose your internal hard drive as the installation location. Leave it selected and click Install. Now wait while AutoCAD installs on your Mac. This may take a few minutes depending on your MacBook's performance. Once the installation is complete, click Start to open AutoCAD 2027 for the first time. When AutoCAD opens, it may ask for a few permissions. For example, it may request access to your Documents folder. Click OK to allow access. Next, sign in using your Autodesk account. If you're using the free trial, you may see an option to start or activate the trial. Click that option and follow the instructions on the screen. After AutoCAD opens, you'll see the Welcome screen. You may also see tutorials, templates, and sample projects. You can go through the tutorials if you're new to AutoCAD, or you can skip them and start creating your own drawings right away. Finally, after the installation is complete, don't forget to eject the installer. To do that, right-click the installer drive icon on your desktop and select Eject, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed AutoCAD 2027 on your MacBook. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with anyone who might need it, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.